Have you ever wondered about the mysteries hidden within your own mind? Think about this. What if you could unlock a hidden power within yourself, a power that could reshape your reality just by understanding a simple yet profound aspect of your daily routine? I'm talking about harnessing the power of those fleeting moments between sleep and wakefulness. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine a skilled artist standing before a blank canvas. With each stroke of their brush, they bring their vision to life, creating a masterpiece from nothingness. Now imagine that you are that artist and the canvas is your own life. What masterpiece would you create if you had the power to paint your reality with the colors of your deepest desires? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? What if I told you that this power lies within a realm of your mind that you visit every single day, yet may not even be aware of? This realm is the subconscious mind, a vast and powerful reservoir of thoughts, beliefs, and experiences that shapes who you are and how you interact with the world. And the gateway to this realm, it lies in those transitional moments between sleep and wakefulness. We're going to explore the fascinating states of consciousness known as the hypnagogic, just before sleep, and the hypnopompic, just after waking. These aren't just fancy scientific terms. They are the keys to unlocking your subconscious potential. Think of your mind as an iceberg. The conscious mind, the part you're using right now, is just the tip, visible above the surface. It's where your logical thinking, your decision-making, and your awareness of the present moment reside. But beneath the surface, submerged in the depths of your being, lies the vast, powerful subconscious. This is where your habits, your deeply ingrained beliefs, your memories, and your automatic responses are stored. And just like an iceberg, the subconscious is far more influential than it appears. It's the silent force that guides your actions, shapes your perceptions, and ultimately determines the course of your life. Now here is where it gets really interesting. During those magical moments as you drift off to sleep or emerge from slumber, your brain waves slow down. You transition from the busy, analytical beta waves of your waking state to the slower, more receptive alpha and theta waves. In these states, the critical, analytical part of your conscious mind takes a back seat. The door to your subconscious swings wide open. This is your golden opportunity. This is where you can plant the seeds of change. Think of it like this. Your conscious mind is like a vigilant gatekeeper, carefully scrutinizing every thought, every idea that tries to enter. It's critical, it's analytical, and it's often resistant to change. But during the hypnagogic and hypnopompic states, this gatekeeper relaxes its guard. It becomes less critical, more accepting. This is when your subconscious mind is most open to suggestion, most receptive to new ideas, and most willing to embrace change. Let's explore deeper into these fascinating brainwave states. Theta waves, in particular, are associated with deep relaxation, meditation, and heightened creativity. They are the dominant brainwave state during the transitional periods between sleep and wakefulness. When your brain is in a theta state, you are more suggestible. New information can bypass the critical filters of your conscious mind and sink directly into your subconscious. There are even studies that show that the brain is far more receptive to information during these in-between states. They've measured brain activity and found that the pathways to the subconscious are more active and open during these times. It's like the difference between trying to plant seeds in hard, compacted soil compared to planting them in soft, fertile ground. So, how can you harness this incredible power? How can you use these special states to reprogram your mind, to create the life you truly desire? Well, there are a few powerful techniques you can start using tonight. One of the most effective is the use of affirmations. Now, I'm not talking about simply repeating empty phrases. Effective affirmations are carefully crafted statements that reflect your desired reality as if it were already true. They are positive, present tense declarations that resonate with your emotions. For example, instead of saying "I will be confident," which implies a future state, you would say "I am confident and self-assured in all that I do." Feel the difference? The second statement is more powerful because it affirms your confidence as a present reality. It's important to phrase these affirmations in the present tense because your subconscious mind responds best to what it perceives as happening now. It doesn't understand future tense in the same way your conscious mind does. When you state something in the present tense, you are essentially telling your subconscious mind, "This is my reality now." It is also crucial to inject emotion into your affirmations. Don't just say the words, feel them. If your affirmation is "I am healthy and full of energy," truly feel the vitality coursing through your body. Emotion is the very language of the subconscious. It's what gives your affirmations power and impact. Another potent tool is visualization. This involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. See yourself achieving your goals, living your dreams, embodying the qualities you wish to cultivate. The more detailed and realistic your visualizations, the more effectively they will communicate with your subconscious mind. Let's say you want to overcome your fear of public speaking. Instead of just repeating an affirmation, visualize yourself standing confidently on a stage, delivering a powerful and engaging speech. See the audience captivated by your words, hear their applause, feel the surge of confidence within you. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. By repeatedly visualizing your desired outcome, you are essentially creating new neural pathways in your brain. This makes that outcome more likely to manifest in your reality. Meditation is another powerful practice that can help you access and reprogram your subconscious. By quieting your conscious mind through focused breathing or guided meditations, you create the space for positive suggestions to take root. There are countless guided meditations available online. These are often specifically designed for reprogramming the subconscious mind during these transitional sleep states. You can find ones tailored to specific goals, such as improving self-esteem, attracting abundance, or overcoming limiting beliefs. These meditations often incorporate affirmations and visualizations, making them a powerful tool for personal transformation. Now, let's touch upon a slightly more advanced technique, self-hypnosis. This involves gently guiding yourself into a deeply relaxed state, similar to the hypnagogic and hypnopompic states, where your subconscious mind is highly receptive to suggestion. While it may sound complex, self-hypnosis is a skill that can be learned with practice. There are many resources available, including books and audio recordings, that can teach you the fundamentals of self-hypnosis. Once you've mastered the basics, you can use this technique to implant positive suggestions directly into your subconscious mind, bypassing the critical filters of your conscious mind. It is important to remember that consistency is key. This isn't a one-time fix. This is about creating a new habit, a new way of interacting with your own mind. Just like any skill, it takes practice. As you consistently practice these techniques, the neural pathways associated with your desired changes will grow stronger. Think of it like working out a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. The same is true for your mind. The more you engage in these practices, the more effectively you'll be able to reprogram your subconscious mind. Create an environment that is truly conducive to relaxation. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and comfortable. Turn off your phone, your computer, and any other devices that might distract you. Perhaps you can light a candle, play some soothing music, or use essential oils to create a calming atmosphere. The goal is to signal to your body and mind that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Choose a regular time for your practice, whether it's right before bed or immediately upon waking, and stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is vital to forming any new habit. By practicing at the same time each day, you're training your mind to associate that time with relaxation and receptivity. Be patient and kind to yourself. Some days will be easier than others. There will be times when your mind wanders, when you find it difficult to focus. That's okay. It's all part of the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Reprogramming your subconscious mind takes time and effort. Just keep practicing and trust that you are making progress, even if it's not always visible. The benefits of this practice are truly transformative. Imagine waking up each morning feeling confident, motivated, and ready to embrace the day. Picture yourself effortlessly overcoming challenges, achieving your goals, and living the life you've always dreamed of. That's the power of subconscious reprogramming. By consistently using these techniques, you can experience a profound shift in your mindset, your behaviors, and your overall well-being. people often report a significant increase in self-esteem and a newfound sense of inner peace. They feel more in control of their lives, less reactive to external stresses, and more aligned with their true purpose. Think of the possibilities: a reduction in stress and anxiety, leading to better sleep and overall health, overcoming fears that have held you back, allowing you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace new opportunities, achieving goals that once seemed impossible, whether it's writing a book, starting a business, or simply finding more joy in your daily life. This journey of reprogramming your subconscious is not just about achieving external success. It's about cultivating a deeper understanding of yourself, connecting with your inner wisdom, and creating a life that is truly fulfilling. By taking the time to nurture your inner world, you are laying the foundation for a more meaningful and purposeful existence. So as you lie in bed tonight on the threshold of sleep, remember the power that lies within you. Remember that you have the ability to shape your reality, to create the life you desire, simply by harnessing the power of your subconscious mind. What will you choose to create? What seeds of change will you plant in the fertile ground of your subconscious? The answers lie within you, waiting to be discovered in the magical moments between sleep and wakefulness. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and unlock the incredible power of your subconscious mind. It is, without a doubt, one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal. You hold the key to unlocking your own potential. It's not magic. It is simply understanding how your mind truly works. And now you have that understanding. Now the power to change your life is truly in your hands.